Now, first up, now I don't know how long it's gonna take us today. I'm gonna try my best. So I might have to break this up. I mean, because I don't want to keep you guys all day. Like, this is like, hey babes, welcome back. It is Living for the City. I'm Cherise. I know I don't have a mask on today. It is our normal monthly unboxing for all of our beauty boxes, and this is like the first time in quite all year that I have not had a mask on. Now, normally I usually have a mask on. For those of you that are new, this is our unboxing is usually like a self-care routine night, right? So we just sit around, we chit chat, we talk about what's in our boxes. I mostly have a mask on, but today I don't, because it is actually in the middle of the day and there are so many things that I needed to share with you very, very quickly that I was like, I can't wait anymore. Like, I cannot wait for my self-care night. Like, I need to go ahead and share all of this with you now. I have so many boxes here, you guys. Like, you see this? I'm gonna first start off by saying that in no way, shape, or form am I condoning this behavior or saying that anything that is happening here today is appropriate, because in no way is it. Like, this is not appropriate. Like, this, not appropriate. It's not appropriate. I'm not saying it is. And the sad part is that I have 2 more boxes over there. So, again, this is not where you should be. Like, you shouldn't have this many boxes to open, because number 1, you should be opening them as they come in, but number 2, I mean, I didn't pay for all of these because I you know, a couple of these are gifted, a couple of these were shared with me to share with you. I am going to open all of these one by one. Now, I don't know how long it's going to take us today, so I might have to break this up. So let's just dig right in. And first up, I'm actually going to start with the Target, since it's right here in front of me. Let's start with our Target beauty box. Now, Target's beauty box, they have several of them. You can get them online, and they ship them right to your house, and they're like dirt cheap, okay? And so inside here, it says Beauty Trendsetters, and then it tells you, of course, everything that you're gonna get inside of your box. And it also gives you a coupon, $3 off for any beauty purchase in the store or online at 15 bucks. So that's pretty nice. You get $3 off 15. So here is my, ooh. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, so look at all the stuff that is in this little Target. Okay, Target, yeah, y'all coming up. Okay, because I think I've gotten the Target beauty box before. Actually, I liked it last time too. So it wasn't bad last time. So I just didn't realize how great they were. Okay, so the first thing I got is a, LUMIFY Redness Reliever Eye Drops. Oh, wow, okay. So by Bausch & Lomb, LUMIFY significantly reduces redness to help your eyes look whiter, brighter, more radiant for up to 8 hours. There's no bleach, no dyes, and they're FDA approved. So all you do is drop them in your eyes and voila. Ooh, I love it. Okay, so I'll be trying that. And then Honestly, next up is by Honestly pHresh. It's probably just Honestly Fresh, actually, but I just put the pH because it had to do with pH. It's a probiotic deodorant and sea mineral. Properly formulated without baking soda, it's packed with probiotics. I'm sorry, not prebiotics. And magnesium for maintaining the optimum pH levels and controlling odor up to 24 hours. So let's see what it smells like then. The sea mineral. It smells like refreshing. The next up is by Tenoverten. Tenoverten. Why am I coming up with all these crazy names? I'm like so fancy today. It is a rose polish remover wipes, and so it doesn't dry out your nails. You can use it anytime, anywhere. They are biodegradable cloths. They're non-acetone nail polish remover wipes. They make it easy to take off your polish, even on the go, and the subtle rosy fragrance leaves your hands smelling yummy too. Ooh. You guys know that I'm always doing my nails. I don't even have my nails done today because I'm giving them a break, but I'm gonna paint them tonight. I should have did that first, oh well. By Yuni, there is a, oh, this is interesting. This is a travel shower sheet body wipe. What does that mean? Okay, so it's an oversized, super soft, moist body wipes. Oh, okay. Oh, I've seen these before. It actually in Target. Oversized, super soft, moist body wipes made with natural purifying neem, peppermint, and citrus. Smell delicious and instantly cleanse. So you'll feel fresh and so clean anytime, anywhere. I've actually had these shower sheets before. I would keep them in my gym bag, but I've had these before and they work beautifully. I actually like the peppermint perspective, like the peppermint in them, because it really does like freshen. So, ooh, I like those. Okay. Next is by Tanologist, which is a drops. What is this? Tanologist, it's a drops Sunless tanning treatment for your face, body. You transform your skin or makeup into a self-made tanner that leaves your complexion glowing and no sun necessary. See, I know I'm gonna give this away, but this is a great idea, okay? So you add it to your favorite moisturizer, you mix it in the palm of your hand, and then you put it on your skin. So you probably just put it on either in your makeup, yes, in your makeup or your lotion. Pretty cool. So I'll give this to my girlfriend. She'll love this, okay? Just a little sample there. Next is some Rae DeStress Capsules. It's a mix of pure and powerful ingredients to help you calm your mind, fight mental fatigue, and focus in times of stress. Wow, interesting. It's like a little dietary supplement. Okay. Oh, look at Target. Next is an Instant Moisture Dry Conditioner by Waterless. Okay. Dry conditioner tames frizz and flyaways, moisturizes dry ends, and detangles messy hair, all without the use of water. Great job, Target. I'm liking everything that is in this box. And there's only a couple of things that I probably wouldn't use otherwise. Good job, Target. Next up is by Kinder. Now, this is my second Kinder box, and I'm so excited. The last box I absolutely loved. I think I only got a 3-month subscription, so we'll see. Oh wow, look at this. Like, it's just lovely. It's just lovely. So again, you get, what is this? Oh my God, guys, like there's so much going on in here. I'm just like, I don't know. I really love Kinder. Kinder, as you know, is cruelty-free, all natural, beauty box. I'm gonna start with the Osea Malibu Mini Ocean Cleansing Milk. I love cleansing milks. Don't ask me why, but I absolutely love them. So this is the cleansing milk. Melt away makeup and environmental debris with this fragrance-free cleanser. So this is your step 1. I don't know if you do a double cleanse. I do a double cleanse. So this is your step 1 on your double cleanse. Yes, Ocean Cleansing Milk. Beautiful packaging. Okay, melt away your makeup and environmental. Okay, my camera just went off. I hope I'm in the frame here because I don't know. But anyway, my camera just went off because I got a phone call and I didn't realize it. So, and now we finished up Kinder and all of the luxurious things that we got. So I'm gonna quickly back this thing up. So for Kinder, we have the Ocean Cleansing Milk as well as the Atmosphere Protection Cream. So we got these two. We also received the Juice Beauty Phyto-Pigment Luminous Primer, which I'm very excited about. Get this primer, okay? But what I'm most excited about is the Saffron Energizing Vitamin Mask, which is a hydrating, nutritive mask that provides moisture to dry skin, dehydrated skin, while it's hugely benefiting sensitive skin. So this one I'm really, really excited about. It has ginseng, saffron, CoQ10 to energize and provide that natural glow. So you know I'm in. It's a mask I am in, okay? Helps to visibly firm and lift the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. So this is gonna be good. It's by Sonage. So I'm excited about this one. And then it came with a cute little angle brush, okay? Cute little angle brush. So that is the Kinder box. Also, we started on the Allure box. This is my first Allure box, okay? Because the last Allure box that I got, I did not open yet. Don't judge me, okay? Don't do it. I know, okay? So the Allure box comes with this little pamphlet. I've already ransacked the box, but I will show you what's in it. And then we can talk about everything. So here's the inside of the Allure box. Now this is fancy, I'm gonna say, okay? Because first out of the gate, it comes with, which I'm loving, it's called a glass skin refining serum, which I love the sound of that. Just the sound of that has me at hello. It hydrates, brightens, and minimizes the appearance of pores, helping you get your clearest, most radiant glass skin. Glass skin refining serum. Then we also got another Osea. Osea is doing it up this month, huh? This is their ocean cleanser. Something about seaweed just gets me, but this organic seaweed cleansing gel removes the surface impurities and excess oils. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to minimize the appearance of pores. Lime, citrus, and juniper energize the skin and awaken the senses. So I'm excited to try this one. I'm gonna let you know how the 3 of these products go together. I'm gonna try and put them together somehow. Next up in the Allure box is by Beautaniq, and it is a Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. The color is Peach Blush. I love a lip and cheek balm, and this color is gonna be perfect on me. It's gonna be perfect. And then what else do we have in this box? And then we have a couple of other things. Okay, we also have by Dr. Jart. I love Dr. Jart. Does anybody else like Dr. Jart? This is a Cicapair Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. So see this thing about, so here's the Tiger Grass. It hydrates dry patches without over moisturizing, and it calms the skin. So this will be interesting. I'll have to do my research on how to use this, but Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream has my attention. I have to tell you that much. And then finally, this is an editor's pick, Charcoal Pore Care. Okay. It's a mask. So this sheet mask pulls the dirt out of the pores with the charcoal powder, but it's also soaked in a serum that balances clarifying ingredients. Okay. Is this a K-Beauty? Yeah. Okay, no K-Beauty. So that is it for the Allure. I'm pleasantly surprised. And I think I like it. I've probably moved this frame about 55 times now, so I'm so sorry because I've been filming like all day. Like I've been filming this all day for you. It's just so much going on. I literally had to take a break because that's how long this is going. Like, it's kind of crazy. Okay, our tried and true Birchbox that we oh so love. This is my Birchbox, cute little box. And dear self, action also requires rest. Give yourself the permission to do both. Oh. This is how Birchbox comes. On the back, you get everything that is going to be in your box. Let's make finding beauty stuff fun. Birchbox has been around for 10 years, and I swear to you, I've been a member for like 9. Listen. Here's my Birchbox. So many goodies in here. I am really excited. Okay, so here's what we have for this month's Birchbox. Okay, so first up we have by Avia Skincare, or Avia Skincare, I don't know. Anti-Aging Power Serum. I love serums. This powerful anti-aging serum formulated with pure micro-encapsulated vitamin C, helps promote collagen production and reduces inflammation while boosting radiance. My favorite by This Works, Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I know I've shown you this before. I know I have. Clinically proven to help you get a good night's rest. You'll fall asleep faster. You spray this calming infusion of lavender and chamomile on your pillows before bed. I love this stuff, especially when I change my sheets. I'm gonna even in between, like, oh. By R&Co. Sun Catcher Power C Boosting Leave-In Conditioner. Rich in vitamin C, this leave-in conditioner fights frizz, detangles, and protects hair. Work through towel dried hair, then style as usual. Oh goodness. Another lip and cheek stain in Forever Pink. I feel like we got this. Oh, this is my favorite. Oh, this is my, okay. So I don't know, I actually purchased, that's how much I love this stuff. I actually purchased it. This is the Just Kissed lip and cheek stain. I didn't even know it was a cheek stain. I just use it on my lips. But the color, and I mean, it is the perfect stain for the lips. Love this. Love this. Can you see that? Let me just get in there for you. Forever Pink. I have it in Forever Pink and then a peachy color. And I love how it looks on me. Thanks, Jane. Love this one. Next by Pure Remover Wipes is unscented nail polish wipes. Second nail polish wipes. What is this? Maybe because it's summer and we're starting to take off our nail polish. Acetone free. Easily clean up your chipped nail polish with this acetone free remover wipe made of essential oils. Hold the wipe over your nail for a few seconds and sweep away the color in an instant. Great. Hey, CBD oil. CBD oil, massage oil. Oh yes. This nourishing massage oil is formulated with a broad spectrum hemp oil, THC free, to provide a deeply relaxing experience that is designed to reduce stress, relieve muscles, and moisturize the skin. And this is what it looks like inside. Oh, I can't wait to try this one. So everything from this point on, this is all of my gifted and all of my complimentary items. So that was everything that we knew we were gonna get. Everything here we did not know we were gonna get. So, phase, what I'm gonna do is, because this video is so long, I'm gonna stop here. I thank you so much for being with me today and opening our subscription boxes, beauty boxes for the month. We are going to get to everything here, so I ask that you just stay with me and tune in for the next upload. I hope that you enjoyed what you saw today, and that you got an idea between the Birchbox, between Allure, Kinder, and Target, a box that works for you. Everything is down below in the description box, so click on that and you'll be able to see the price of everything. You'll be able to see where you can get everything. I have a couple of affiliate codes down at the bottom, so if you want a discount on your Birchbox, feel free to go down there and grab that as well. I think that is it for this monthly subscription boxes that we actually ordered. If you are not already subscribed to this channel, I ask that you hit that little red button below for me. Thank you. And feel free to check me out on my day-to-day highlights on Instagram, living_for_the_city. You can also like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. And I think that's it. Until next time, make sure that you come back for the next one so you can see me open up all of these. Thanks so much. Bye.